Welcome back, guys. I'm Gary.
And I'm Gary Sr.
And we're from Automatic Door and Hardware. We are a manufacturer of commercial doors, automatic doors, and the parts and hardware that go with those doors. If you like learning about doors and hardware, then you've come to the right place. Each day we try to produce 2 or 3 videos related to this. So if this interests you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay guys, so our subject today is what are the 6 positions of the Stanley rotary switch, the 6-position rotary switch? What are the functions? What do they do? And Gary Sr. is going to explain that in detail.
Okay, the first position that you have is the automatic position. And on a normal 2-way traffic door, that would ensure that both sensing devices, you can enter the door from the exterior side, or you can exit the door from the interior side. It allows 2-way traffic to go either direction in that position. The next position is the closed lock mode, and that's the position that you turn the switch to let the door, if you stand back away from all the sensing devices and safety devices, the door will then close and shut off when it's in the closed position. That's the position also if you had an electric lock in the motor on the door, that when you put it in that mode too, it would electrically lock if your door was equipped with that. The next position is the open position, and that simply means that the door will, if you put it on open, it will fully open and stay open indefinitely as long as that switch is not turned to another position. The next position is a reduced one-way mode, and that is generally would mean that the door is only going to operate in one direction. If it was set up as an entrance door, then it would be it would let you enter the door, but the door is not going to open fully. It's going to stop short of being fully open, which is considered energy conservation mode, that if you don't have a lot of traffic, then they might want to use that. In a lot of grocery stores, it's never even used because the door only opens part way and people end up crashing into the door with their shopping carts and mangling the heck out of the door. So it's not always a good idea to use that position. Now, if your door, it could be that your building and your door is set up with 2 separate doorways, one that says an entrance and one that says an exit. And depending on which door you're talking about, if it were the exit door, then the installer more than likely would have set that up to let you exit in the reduced opening mode, but not allow you to enter. And that's how they control that. Although if this door is wide open and it is closing and somebody comes up in the direction that you don't want them to enter, the door will open for them, and that's done that way for safety reasons, to keep people from getting entrapped in the door. So that this switch in that position could mean that the door sensor could be entrance only or exit only, depending on how it's set up. The next position is just reduced opening, and that's for 2-way traffic, but it only allows the door to open partially. Again, if this were like a grocery store or a Home Depot or someplace like that, you may not want to use that. It wouldn't be recommended because they more than likely will be slamming the door because it doesn't open fully. But that's what that position is used for. The last position is one-way, which is the same as the one-way reduced opening, with the exception that it does not have a reduced opening. It will open the door fully, but it will only open the door in one direction. And that also can be set up, may be set up in your facility if you have an entrance and an exit as a one-way traffic door, depending on which direction you want the people to come in or go out. And that basically covers the positions of the switch. And this does also go for the key switch. If you, instead of a knob switch, you may have a 6-position key switch, which those settings are identically the same.